So before we start book 6, a few points I thought we should discuss about book 5 is that God sends Raphael to tell Adam and Eve that reason is man's highest faculty, and even though Satan in many forms is trying to tempt them to eat the fruit of knowledge tree which is forbidden by God, still they can use or exercise the law of free will. Now, Raphael also tells them about, he takes four elements, basic elements along with him, and they are earth, water, air, and fire. What is he telling about these four elements? That air and water, basically earth क्या करती है? Earth feeds water, or sea we can say, and this combination of earth and water later on feeds air, and all three then feed fire. So that's how he's basically okay. In all books we'll come to know things like this when we go in detail. This is a huge work, so you will find all kinds of details: creation of earth, how God created, what happened on day 1, day 2, what are the minutest of details. But we are not going in those details, we are only talking about the points which are important from that point of view, the quickest and shortest possible revision we can do. Then we also come to know that this is written in epic tradition, and that's the reason. What is the meaning of something being written in epic tradition? It means that Milton opens a story in the middle of things. Can you feel it? Can you realize it? Though we are only discussing important points, yet you must have observed that how book 1 opened up, then book 2 was telling something else, and book 3 it was in middle of things, and it appears as if we are going in flashback through Raphael, through other characters. What are you told? The readers are told that the the poem is started in epic tradition. It started in book 1 in the middle of things. Okay, and this is called in media res. What is it called? In media res in epic tradition. So Raphael goes back and relate events that led to opening of the book 1. That's what we come across. And Raphael's जो story है, it covers up book 5 and 6. So what we will come to know, that this is book 5 that we are talking about. Raphael's story is covering book 5. It is telling, he's telling about what happened in the flashback. He's going in whatever he's telling is taking us in flashback. This is what will cover the story of book 6. So this is already foreshadowed in book 5. ठीक है. So this is it. Okay, now we can come to book 6. What is book 6? It's Raphael account of the war in heaven. It also talks about the return of Abdiel, and it tells us that God assigns his two angels. He appoints his two angels as supreme leaders, or who as people, as angels who are going to lead in the war from God's side. They are appointed to lead the heavenly forces against Satan's army. So this is book 6. We get to know that there is going to war is going to battle is going to take place between two camps now formed, and this battle has run for 2 days. So you have to remember who was appointed. The name of the character angels, Michael and Gabriel. Abdiel comes back again. There is a description. Battle runs for how many days? 2 days. What is happening? Satan loses the battle. Satan and the team loses the battle because Michael uses a special sword or power that is bestowed on him by God. Now they are restricted to hell, and there are other things that we are going to discuss in another video. Thank you.